Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I just got a package in the mail from Richard at MFJ, and he has sent me some things that he felt would be of interest to my viewers. So let's see what he sent me. Okay. So first all right, get back. Okay, first we have a antenna. This is an in-fed quarter wave 40 to 10 meter 800 watts. I don't have anything that'll put out 800 watts wire antenna. It's got a big heavy transformer and a bunch of wire. So it's going to be interesting to check this out. And the model number is MFJ-1984HP. So we'll be checking that out in a few days. What else have we got? Oh, cool. This is cool. This is their new digital SWR and watt meter. So it gives you a digital readout right there. It's shown on there. And this is MFJ-845/847. Oh, cool. Now that's something that I'm sure a lot of you would be interested in. So we'll be checking that out in the near future. And then we got one more thing in this bigger box. Let me move this one out of the way. Okay, what is this? It says it's a transceiver pre-selector. Now, I have mentioned several times about, there it is, about pre-selectors for shortwave listening when conditions are bad and you're getting interference from adjacent channels. I should say they're good, so you're getting a lot of channels, but they're right on top of each other. Well, this is the thing I think will help solve that problem. And it's sealed up right now, so we're not going to open it. But we're going to check this out. You can look in the MFJ catalog or on their website for MFJ-1040 transceiver pre-selector from 1.8 megahertz to 54 megahertz. So it even covers the 6 meter band, 6 meter amateur radio. I'm excited about that one because I really need one like that in my area, because I get, when band conditions are good, all of a sudden they're too good. And I'm getting like 3 or 4 stations on top of it. Some radios actually have a dialable pre-selector. Most do not, which can do that pre-tuning of the signals as they come into your receiver. This is one you can use external for radios that don't have a pre-selector. It's going to be interesting to see how it does, especially since I have a lot of strong medium wave and FM stations in my area that some radios can't tolerate. See if this will fix that problem. So that's what we got. Thanks, Richard, for sending me this stuff. He does this about once a year or twice a year. He sends me a little care package of goodies. I think most of these are new products, or recently new products that they put in their catalog. So that's it. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye-bye.